How to set up and use mobile hotspot on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. You will find Wi-Fi and Network. Click on Wi-Fi and Network. After that, in here you will find Hotspot option. Click on Hotspot. Then click on Wi-Fi hotspot at the top. After you've done that, turn on your hotspot. Select your name, add your hotspot password, and you can also select Connected Device Manager and then select Devices. After that, turn on your mobile data. Then you're good to go, and your another phone to connect. Go to Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi, and then click on the name which you added earlier on your hotspot, and then add password and press on connect. You will need to connect it as you connect to Wi-Fi. And this is how to set up and use mobile hotspot on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.